Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Tuesday, September 19th. We are seeing some light to moderate rain showers start to move into the area this morning, and we can expect that to continue for much of the remainder of the morning hours. And we're also starting to see those breezy winds kick up, mainly over on the island, and we're going to expect those wind gusts of around 30 to 35 miles per hour to start to increase here into the late morning hours. Taking a look at our surface analysis, we can see we still have Hurricane Jose east of the area. It is still a Cat 1 hurricane, according to the National Hurricane Center. It is currently centered about 200 miles due east from the Chesapeake Bay Inlet, and so we are only getting some slightly breezy winds from that as it stays well east of the area, and we are starting to get some of that rain starting to move in as well. And that is going to be the story for the rest of the day today before we start to get into some much better weather tomorrow. So taking a look at our satellite here, you can see Hurricane Jose did have a nice burst of convection earlier this morning across the center, and that is helping to sustain its hurricane status at the present time. And it is going to be pretty slow to move off to the northeast, and then as it moves northeast south of the Cape Cod area, it's going to start to linger across the far just east of the far northeastern United States, but giving us no impact after today. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop, you can see that band of rain starting to move in from the east across the area, and that is going to slowly move across the region, impacting us for the next hour or so, and then we can expect some spotty light showers to continue through the rest of the workday and into this evening, but we do expect that rain to end by 10 p.m. tonight at the latest. We're also starting to see those winds pick up from the north, currently seeing winds around 10 to 15 knots across the area, and we are starting to see those gusts pick up a bit as well. We are already seeing wind gusts of around 40 miles per hour across the buoys across the ocean east of us and across the Chesapeake Bay, but that wind is dying off as it interacts with the land. So the highest wind gust should be expected along just the immediate coastline and across the island this morning, as it'll have the minimal effects from the land interaction. So as of 8 a.m., we do have a scatter deck at 2,000 feet, broken at 4,000, overcast at 10,000. We were starting to see that light rain reported, but rain has since become much more moderate, and so we are seeing some decent rainfall at the present time. We're also seeing winds from azimuth 350 at 11 knots, gusting to 17 knots, and we can expect those gusts to increase slightly as we go through the rest of the morning hours and into the early afternoon hours, possibly gusting up to 30 to 35 miles per hour, mainly like I said, right along the immediate coast and on the island, and those winds should be less here on the main base. And we were seeing a temperature as of 8 a.m. at 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Taking a look at our weather hazards for today, we are going to be seeing a 100% chance of rain from now into the noon hour, and then after that we are going to start to see just rain showers become isolated to perhaps widely scattered. Rain showers will be light, and we could see those rain shower chances continuing through much of the day, but we do expect those to end by 10 p.m. at the latest this evening. We are going to see winds gusting, like I said, to 30 to 35 miles per hour, and that is going to be mainly through the morning hours and into the early afternoon. And as we go into the late afternoon and the evening, we'll see those winds dying off, becoming 8 to 13 knots as we go into the overnight hours and into Tuesday morning. Taking a look at a terminal forecast, we're going to be seeing ceilings hovering around 5,000 to 6,000 feet for much of the morning hours under those rain showers. And as we go into late morning, we could see those ceilings briefly lift up to the overcast ceiling briefly lift up to 8,500 feet and any breaks in rain. And then as we go into this afternoon, we're going to see those ceilings lower just a bit to around 2,000 to 3,000 feet with an overcast deck near 4,000 feet, continuing those chances for isolated showers throughout the afternoon and early evening hours. And as we go into tonight, we are going to be seeing those rain showers ending after 10 p.m. and by 8 a.m. we'll start to see those clouds clear out a bit, becoming possibly getting a peak of sun or two by 8 a.m. with broken decks of 5,000, 8,500 feet, and 12,000 feet. And because of Hurricane Jose, we are seeing pretty high tides in the area at 1 to 2 feet above normal. Taking a look at the next few days here, tomorrow and the rest of the week is going to be looking a lot better than we have been seeing from yesterday and today. We're going to be looking at an unseasonably warm day tomorrow around with a high of 84 degrees, and we're going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies early as Jose departs off to the northeast of the area, but we will see those skies become partly cloudy as we go into the afternoon. For Wednesday night, we're going to see a mild night with partly cloudy skies and a low of 68 degrees. And for Thursday, we're going to be seeing partly cloudy skies with another perhaps unseasonably warm day of 83 with no more rain chances for the rest of the week. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing. Have a nice day.